General Contractor, Industrial, New Construction and Renovation. Project size 15 to 30 million. Octopi Brewing Distribution Center. Vogel Brothers. The Octopi Brewing Distribution Center spans 200,000 square feet, ranking Octopi the third largest production facility in Wisconsin. With design partner Aro Eberl Architects and construction partner Vogel Brothers, the building seamlessly complements the existing 200,000 square foot Octopi facilities across the street. It was strategically designed without ramps, including 18-foot concrete retaining walls. The site layout optimizes operational efficiency with a sawtooth dock layout and allows for potential developments, such as a water treatment facility. The pre-engineered building features a 45-foot clear height in most areas and 20,000 square feet of cold storage. An Esper sprinkler system was creatively integrated, prioritizing safety and flexibility. Vogel Brothers would like to thank Octopi Brewing, along with its partner contractors, project team, and skilled craft workers for making this project a success.